We have studied these simple conditions in our previous sessions. But believe me, a programmer's life is much more complicated. He has to handle too many conditions. To take care of this, Python offers if, elif and else. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. Before we study anything, let's consider a scenario. A bookshop is offering discount. Here, discounts are a bit complicated. There is an offer to buy one and get one free only on academic books. On children books, you get 3 books free. On reference book, you have a discount of rupees 50. On novel, there is a rupees 20 discount. And on scientific book, you get a gift coupon. Well, for any other type of book, there is no discount. So, these are the discount criteria. Now, we need to write a program which will accept the book type and tell about the offers. Here, we have multiple conditions and each condition has a different response. These conditions seem a bit complicated, but it can be easily managed using if, elif and else. Let's see how. First, we will accept the book type using the input statement and store in the variable book underscore type like this. Then write an if statement and then the condition book type equal to academic and then give a colon. Academic is in double quotes because it's a string. In the next line, give an indent and print the offer, that is buy one and get one free. Generally, we will write the else over here and then the message that no offer is applicable. But we have many other conditions to handle. Instead of else, we will write elif and then the condition book underscore type equal to children like this. Inside this elif, we will print 3 books are free. I hope you understand this. Elif is used to specify another condition. So, when the program runs, it will first check the if condition. If it is false, it will check the elif conditions. If the if condition is true, the program will not check this elif condition. Now, we will write another elif and we will check for reference and then display the message after giving an indent. Same for book type novel like this and same for scientific book like this. In the last, we will write else. Inside else, we will print the message that no discount is available. Let's run the program. We will give the input as scientific. Well, we got the correct output. Rerun the program and give the input as magazine. Well, there is no discount for magazines. Let's look at the code again. Here, the program flow is vital. When you enter the input as scientific, the program first checked the if condition. Since it was false, it went for the elif and checked for the children. Again, that was false. So, it checked for the reference. Then it checked for the novel. When it came to this condition for a scientific book, the result was true. Hence, our program displayed the message and we got the output. I think just one example is not enough to understand the elif statement. So, in the next session, we will study one more example of the elif statement. Thanks for watching.